thrive in. This is what you do. Hi everyone, my name is Olivia. Welcome to my channel, a place for content creators and entrepreneurs. Are you thinking about opening up your Etsy shop this year, but you need some good Etsy shop ideas? Keep watching. All right, so the first place you want to start, what are 3 niches that you're interested in? For example, body care, apparel, music, home decor, health and wellness. You get the idea. What are the 3 niches that you're most interested in? You want to go ahead and write those down. So you have your niches down. Great. Now you want to brainstorm some ideas under those niches. Think of your original niche as an umbrella. So think of some ideas that fall within each umbrella. I'll put an example right here. You want to have your main niche, then you want to break it down 3 more times. Once you've broken down those niches into 3 more niches, you want to go back and see which one took the least effort to make. So the one that took the least effort is your zone of genius. This is where you thrive in. This is what you do. This is the one you want to work with because this is the one that you can work consistently with. This is the one that comes easily, and that's exactly what you want. Real quick, you guys, I just want to let you know that I am making this video to help you guys move to the next step, and I really want this video to be really helpful for you guys. And if you could, please leave a comment below and let me know if this video is helpful for you. All right, and the last step is to validate your niche. Look on Etsy search, look on Google Trends, see if if there is a market for your niche. Are people actually actively looking for it right now? Last thing you want is for you to put your product out, boom, you got your shop, you got everything set up, and crickets. Nothing, nada. No views, no visits, no nothing. We don't want that. So before you start your shop, please, I stress, validate your market. Make sure there is demand for your product. One way you can do it is go onto Google Trends, go to their search bar. I believe there's another step, but I'll show it over here. Type in whatever it is that you want to do. So for example, we'll do mom sweatshirt and see if there is a market for it. A niche deeper, you could do boy mom sweatshirt, okay, and see, are people looking for this? You'll see a line. So is the line going up, or is it going down, or is it just going straight? If it's going straight, don't do it. Do not do it. It needs to at least be going up. I'm not saying it needs to go all the way up, but make sure it's increasing. So another way is to go into Etsy search and type in what it is, what type of item you have, maybe a piece of home decor. So it could be pillowcase. What type of pillowcase? A satin pillowcase. Okay, a satin pillowcase. So once you type it in, Etsy will have a suggested search. So what people are actively looking for as of right now, whatever pertains to what you just typed in. If it's blank, you're taking your chances. But if there are other things related to it, so it could just look at this example here. So just see if there's a demand for it. If you see, different suggestions, then different suggestions below it, then more than likely there is a demand for it. Now, if you like to take it a step further and learn how to start a successful Etsy shop with your niche, then make sure you hit that notification bell and that subscribe button, because in my next video, I'm going to dive into how to start a successful Etsy shop. All right, until next time, I'll see you in the next one.